Okay, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you the contract address on Coingecko. Now I wouldn't want this video to be long, so if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe because we'll be bringing a lot of updates in crypto and tech tutorials, right? So all you need to do is download your Coingecko from Play Store or App Store depending on your device, right? So once you must have downloaded it, the problem that we have most of the times is that you want to buy a particular token, maybe in your Trust wallet, in your Phantom wallet, in your MetaMask, but you don't have the contract address. So what will you do? Or you have the contract address but you want to check the data of that particular coin. You want to know the current market, everything about it. So what you will do is that you come to these settings. I hope you see settings here. Let me show you proper. Hope you can see settings here in these icons here. The first one is market, second one is portfolio, third is settings. So once you tap on settings, you come up here, then you paste or you type in the token you want to search for. So let's search for bonk. Hope you can see bonk. So it will pop up and we will now proceed. Hope you can see bonk here. That is the first one. I will now click on bonk. So let's wait for it to load up. Let's proceed. Okay, it has just loaded up immediately. So once you must have searched your token like this, the next thing you have to do is you come to info, right? I hope you can see the market detail. You can see the market details, right? So if you want to switch, these are a lot of way of representing the crypto chart. So if you want to switch it from this to a normal candle chart, as I hope you can see it here, you just tap on this icon now and it has changed to a normal candlesticks that we all know, right? So that is it, and you can see the data here. You can see the market cap of bonk 1.8 billion, right? So this is the market cap, and if you scroll down you can also see the contract addresses. So you can copy this contract address to your MetaMask, you can copy it to your Phantom wallet depending on the token you are dealing with, right? But this is just the way to locate your contract address. And if yours is not showing like this, you can just easily come to this place. Once you open it, click on info. So once you click on info, you will see your contract address is here, right? So look at it here. This is it here, and every other data that you want to know about this particular project will be displayed here for you, because that is you are having the whole information at your fingertips. And this is where you can access their website, you can access their Twitter handle. You want to know what they are doing in their handle, the kind of things they are posting on Discord and all of that. So this particular info site is a full info packed. So once you click here, you can check whatever you want to check, make your researches, and you can still go to the news section, which is the news section here, right? So when you click on the news section, you'll see everything they are talking about bonk. If there is a new partnership, there is something they want to share with the community, or there is an update coming up, you'll be first to know about it. And here is the market. So how to know platforms where you can actually buy, sell, or trade this particular token. So when you click on market, it will now load up, and as you can see, bonk is listed in almost all the top exchanges, starting from Binance, Bybit, HBTC, Coinbase, ZoomerX, a lot of them, OKX, LBank, a lot of them, Wex, KuCoin, and all of them. So this is where you come and you will see where you can actually buy any of the token that you are looking for, instead of asking someone where can I buy this coin. Once you come to this market section, it will give you a breakdown, and you can just proceed and fund that particular exchange, get it for yourself. If you are looking out for the DEX, which is the decentralized exchanges, you just click on the DEX, and the text alone will load up, you will see that it will now filter out all exchanges and give you only that of the DEX, right? So as you can see now, these are DEXs where you can get bunk. So if you are looking for sex enough, which is a centralized exchanges, you can now select here. If you are looking for both, you can click on all, and that is just it, right? Please do well to subscribe to this channel, as we will be bringing more updates for you guys. See you on the next one.